thunderstorm warning for Bedford County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania, southern Fulton County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Somerset County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Berlin to near Berkeley Springs, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bedford, Breezewood, Warfordsburg, Berlin, Clearville, Everett, Mercersburg, Central City, Buffalo Mills, Big Cove Tannery, Crystal Springs, and Needmore. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 for mile markers 148 to 170. The Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 120 to 162. Interstate 99 for mile markers 0 to 4. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.